outside. Missing all the fireworks, you know. Oh, this is looking crazy. Times Square. Are they arguing? Oh. Oh, they blocked it off? Wow. Uh-oh, hold on. World Star, baby. Uh-oh. Come on, deck them, please. Let's get it. Edit this job. Oh, you got deck. Like Joe Budden, don't it? Oh. You don't hit him already? Damn. Oh, got him. Uh-oh. Alright, got me back.
It's not about who got the best paper. It's not about the fame. It's not about having them fly gators on, man. Cause it's all about his name. Can't get better than this. Can't get better. Nah, it can't get better. So you wanna give it a try, man? I'm sure you wanna ride. You can't be scared, man. I mean, it's eternal life. Are you down to ride? As a young classic kid on the block, never been shot, now I never sold rock. I guess I dropped a couple hits but kept it on the spot. People trying to claim who I am, which I'm not. I'm trying to do right while my homies trying to fight. I think about the future while y'all thinking about tonight. If that's how you roll with your life, hold tight. Cause death in a game is like a switch over. It's a blink over. I take my advice, you got one life and ya. I never know when it's time to roll, your time to flow. Take that last breath, man, it's time to go. Hold, you think I'm spitting for dough? Matter of fact, I'm just doing this cause I've been seen from a man that called Hover. So homie, repeat. Yes, I know it's hard trying to battle this life. I know the ice got you freezing inside. Are you down to ride?